So as you can see here, we got some chopped up Hot Wheels. Basically what I'm doing in this video, because I'm trying to check the light in my garage, see if the light is better in my garage. Two, obviously, I'm attempting a wheel swap. This is my first attempt at anything custom with a Hot Wheel, anything like that. What I started out with was these two cars. I want to do wheel swaps on both of them. Let me see if I can get these in the picture. Here are 3 other cars. All the wheels came off of those 3 right there. I'm not a fantasy car collector, so cutting those up wasn't a big deal. So I got the wheels out of that. What I really want to do is put these huge tires on this Chevy 2. Actually, the huge ones on the back, and then the little ones on the front. They came off of I forgot the name of it, but this vehicle right here. So I could do that. Obviously, well, that's going to take some modifications to the chassis itself. But I mean, you can kind of see the axle is going to be shortened. How it looks. Those big, huge wheels in the back. So that's one. I'm debating on whether to do that wheel swap. But then the wheels that came off the C10, which is the truck right here, I'm trying to find them, got them all mixed up. These are actual wheels that came off of there. I was thinking, or then attach these again, same thing. They would still need to be shortened. The axles on them would need to be shortened, but they would take less modification. To put the big ones on there, I'd have to modify this part as well. Let me see if I can get this back together real quick. Anyway, you kind of get the gist of it. Hopefully, there we go. So, what I'm going to do is I have an Instagram page. I'm going to take a picture of the car in both ways and see. Hopefully, I can get some people on the Instagram page to kind of vote. I don't have any real followers on my Instagram yet, but I'm gonna post my Instagram page. My Instagram page is Hot Wheels with an S Hauls, all one word. Hot Wheels Hauls with an S. So if you check it out, let me know what you think. Let me know what set of wheels you think I should go with. I was gonna, if whatever wheels don't work, I was gonna put these on the truck, but then I did this. And I think this is what I'm going to go with the C10. Those big wide wheels in the front and big wide wheels in the back. So, but like I said, mostly just doing this video to see what the lighting looks like in the garage. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram.